You've seen a lot of Superlights, so let's take a look at the Superlight 2. So the box is identical. What a surprise. I think what bugged me off the bat was it looks identical. Even the skates are still pants. Superlight 1. It's got the gold badge. Superlight 2. Box looks shallower, so I did notice. They did change the dongle slightly. Got a 2 on it, but got a USB-C as you know. But it looks slightly bigger. I know, exciting stuff, isn't it? Give us any spare skates? What do you reckon? It's telling you by the bottom skate, 1 USB cable. See, tells you gave us some grip tape maybe. Plate, audio little pad on it, interesting. Did that on the last one? I can't remember. Don't think they put the skate on the last one as default. Some grip tape. At least that's a change. They did put on the other one actually, did they? Can't remember. Grip tape. Last one, but okay, great. Yep, no spare skates there, which should be probably more handy than grip tape, but there you go. Oh yeah, they haven't done it. Why have they straightened out the rear skates? Because they're snagging. Why would you straighten out? That's a weird skate, that. What the hell? They actually gave us one with a smooth and one without. We must be able to change it. Why do you do that to skates? It makes no sense. So now everyone's got redesigned skates. So you can't use Superlight 2 skates in it. But they're not even rounded. Why didn't you round them? Oh my god, why have you not rounded the skates? Please! Why wouldn't you start this massive front catchy bit? They actually did something decent. You can actually hopefully use a stock USB-C cable, not a one with the extra bits on the side. Yeah, they haven't even put number 2 on the side. Look, from the side, these look identical. You're not even going to notice. Take some measurements, but you've got that little bump in it. They look identical. Even the side buttons. Side buttons, same position. So the shape's identical, isn't it? You haven't changed the thing in the shape. Absolutely the same. Which, you know, people didn't say the shape was bad, so I don't get it. The skate's beyond me, but not round them. Would have changed the shape, but not round it. I mean, it looks even weird. That's interesting. They've changed the logo around. They've rotated it so you actually don't have to hold your mouse sideways to read it. Now you can actually read it the right way, which is good. I'm giving it all the serial numbers and stuff. It's got a 500 mAh battery. Interesting. They feel similar weight like that though. So we'll go with the stock G Pro. This has got the rear skate on it, so it's so it might be a little bit heavier with the rear skate on the power play button. Here's the normal Superlight. So the Superlight 2, 58 grams. So what we've done is we've got a larger battery then, but kept the same weight, yeah, right? Guess we won't keep it at 60. Try without the power play buttons. It's also got a dongle in the stock one actually, I just realised. So this is without the middle skate on. I did take the dongle off it, and this is the same in the middle. So a gram difference, is there? Okay. Other than that, they look identical. I've even got RGB in it, have they? Letting all the RGB fanboys down. So that's what it sounds like. Definitely feels snappier. Feel pretty good. The mains, the buttons feel bad though. Like there's a lot of movement. A lot. In fact, it feels like it moves more on there. Maybe not. Don't know. So they definitely changed something. It feels like. If I look, this is the stock one. This is the original one. So it's Superlight 1. Let's call it. You can see how much it moves and how much the button goes in. Here's the new updated version. You can already see it slightly sticking out more. It sticks out slightly more. Feels like trying to firm it up a little bit. We'll have a look. Because you can feel the edge of the shell on that one, which you can't on these. They've tried to improve it, it feels like. I'll have to have a look. So I was going to check to see if the coating's any different. It's slightly worn, this coating. The coating still feels the same. This is a X2 V2, so it's got Optomex in it. They're heavier than the Pulsar one. It could be the button setup. A little bit more snappy than the Pulsar ones.